Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you, does Redmi 13C run Diablo Immortal smoothly or not? So guys, I'm going to play this game for 2 to 3 minutes and let's see.
Get away from those villagers. The darkness has met its match.
An outsider, drawn where they do not belong. Yet you are too late. Wortham is dead.
Okay guys, so as you see, I've played the game. The performance of the game is smooth and it seems like the phone performing very well. But after some time, the phone seems like heating and that's the only issue I face. But if we're talking about the performance, so yes, it runs the game smoothly. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.